सिया राम जप ले, दिल से बोले जो श्री राम, भनते उसकी बिगड़ी का, नाम पुकारो सुबह हो शाम। जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम। दिल से बोले जो श्री राम, बनते उसकी बिगड़ी का, नाम पुकारो सुबह हो शाम। जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम। रघुनंदन की जय भक्ति, भक्ति से सबको मिलती है शक्ति। रघुनंदन की जय भक्ति, भक्ति से सबको मिलती है शक्ति। सच्चे मन से याद करे जो, उसको भी मिले जाती है मुक्ति। राम से आगे कोई न नाम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम। भाल भस्ता खेल गवाने, और जवानी साए बिताए। बाल भस्ता खेल गवाने, और जवानी साए बिताए। भृत्या गए माया उपजागे, आगे जा ब्रह्म की बारी आई। रख ले अब तो राम का नाम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम। दिल से बोले जो श्री राम, बनते उसकी बिगड़ी का, नाम पुकारो सुबह हो शाम। जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम, जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम।
Sitaram devotees, and welcome to our Hanuman Chalisa Path on this wonderful Tuesday evening, live from the America Sivarsham Sangha. We have just listened to a wonderful bhajan by Bahan Lisa. At this time, we will sing in one voice the verses of the Sri Hanuman Chalisa.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज
रज
निज मन मुकुर सुधार बरनो रघुबर विमल जसो जो दायक फल चार बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु क्लेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तीनों लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमत निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुवेशा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा हाथ पज और ध्वजा विराजे कान्हे मोर जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियाहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लाए रघुपति के बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिया भरत संभाई सहस बदन तुमरो यश गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे संतादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद शारद सहित ईसा यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते कभी कोविद कहि सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीना राम मिलाए राजपद दीना तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना युग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु लीलो ताहि मधुर फल जानु प्रभु जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम भजन ध्यान जो लावे
सब पर राम
तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सफल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमृत जीवन फल पावे चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा है पर से ही जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता असवर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाई जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई
और
देवता चितना डरई हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा जय 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 हनुमान गुसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई जो शत बार पात करे कोई छूट ही बंदे महासुख होई जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा वो सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा की जनाथ दे मदेरा की जयनाथ हृदय मदेरा पवन तन संकट हरन मंगल मूर्ति राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसो सुरनु बोलो पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
The wonderful verses of the Sri Hanuman Chalisa. Devotees and friends, again I would like to welcome each and every one of you on this wonderful Tuesday evening as we bring to you our Hanuman Chalisa Path live from the America Sivarsham Sangha. Devotees and friends, before we listen to our Revered Swamiji, Swami Shiveshwanandaji Maharaj for tonight's Pravachan, we will ask our Kirtan group to lead us in the Ramayana Simiran.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार वरुणो रघुवर विमल जसो चोदायक फल चार पुण्यहीन तनु जानी के सुमिरो पवन कुमार फल बुरी वेदिया देव मोही हरो कलेश विकार हनुमान 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 जो सुमिरत सिद्धि हो गणनायक करिवर बदनम करहु अनुग्रहसो राशि शुभ गुण शयनम मोक्ष होई बाचा गिरिवर गहनम हो जासु कृपा सुदया जगो सकल कलिमल गमम ओ नील सरोवर श्याम करुणारुण वारिजनयनम हो करो सुमम उर्धार सदा चिर सागर शयनम ओम कुंद इंद समदे कुमार मन करुणा अयनम हो जाई दिन परने करो कृपा मर्दन मयनम ओम बंधव गुरु पर कन जो कृपा सिंधु नर रूप हरि हो महामोह तम पुन जाओ जासु वचन रवि कर विकराओ जासु वचन रवि कर विकराओ दास वचन रवि कर विकराओ।
Sitaram, everyone. On this very beautiful Tuesday evening, I wish to join VJ in welcoming all of you to our online satsang. My katha this evening is taken from Lanka Kand of the Ramcharitmanas, and I have entitled it Bharat's Mistake. Hanumanji, after disposing of the evil magician, the sorcerer Kalnimi, headed towards the Himalayas in quest of the Sajivan Muri. But he was not able to identify the herb. He knew time was of essence. Every single second was precious. In this Chaupai, Tulsidas writes,
जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम
Deka Sailana Aushara China Sahasa Kapi Opari Girilina Deka Sailana Aushara China सहस कपि ओपारी गिरिलीन
ओम जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम ओम
गही गिरि निसिनभ धावत भयु अवर पुरी उपार कपि गयु गही गिरि निसिनभ धावत भयु अवर पुरी उपार कपि गयु
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम सीताराम जय सीताराम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ओ पतित पावन सीताराम बोलो पतित पावन सीताराम
Tulsidas says that Hanuman saw the mountain but failed to identify the herb, so he lost no time in tearing the mountain up by the roots. With the mountain in his grasp, Hanuman darted through the night air and passed over the city of Ayodhya. Bharat saw a huge shape coursing through the air, and thinking it to be a demon, drew the bowstring to his ear and struck him with a headless arrow. Struck by Bharat's dart, Hanuman dropped unconscious to the ground, muttering Ram Ram Raghupati. I wish to make two observations, very, very important observations here. Hanumanji, flying with a mountain containing the herb, had to pass over Ayodhya on his way back to Lanka. It was night time, perhaps midnight or just around then, a little later than that, when Bharat, whom we're told hardly ever slept since he was doing penance, he saw this huge form traversing the night sky, and without a second thought, he felt that Ayodhya was in danger, that some demon was about to drop some mountain on Ayodhya to destroy it. And so he shot his headless arrow. And this I call Bharat's mistake. It is very important that we reflect on this action of Bharat, because sometimes we act on impulse. Bharat acted on impulse without thinking that there is an alternative, without thinking that it may not be what we think it is. Things are not always what they appear to be. When I was a young science student, a young physics student, I was told, and I actually saw, that if you take a straight stick and you place it obliquely in water, the part of the stick which is under the water appears to be bent. You could swear that that part of the stick was bent. But was it bent? No, it only appeared that way because of light effects, because of something called in physics refraction, refraction of light, refraction and reflection. In the same way, when I was a kid growing up in Guyana, as we walked along the pitched road, sometimes on a hot sunny day, we would see what appeared in front of us to be water. But to our amazement, when we got closer, nothing was there. There was no water. And later we learned in physics that it is an optical illusion. It is a mirage. So things are not always what they appear to be, and that is why before we act, we must think carefully. Bharat acted impulsively, and so he shot Hanuman down from the night sky with a headless arrow. The second thing I wish to draw to our attention is that Hanuman, even though in pain as a result of the arrow hitting him, and even though he was about to lose consciousness, his mind was fixed on God. Sometimes we ask ourselves this question, why? Why did Hanuman, who was doing God's work, carrying a heavy load in his hands, had to undergo this cruelty, this pain? And we ourselves, when we work for God, many times we question, why, Lord? I'm doing your work. Why is it that things are not going smoothly? Why am I facing with so many problems? When I was not religious, when I was not spiritual, when I followed the ways of the world, things didn't seem so difficult. But the moment I decided to become more spiritual and to serve you, God, all kinds of problems come. Why? Working for God doesn't mean that our paths would be smooth. Far from it, we would face many obstacles. These are tests of our faith in and love for God. God is testing us to see whether our love for Him is genuine. God is testing us to make us stronger. Because unless we're stronger and stronger, we will not be able to find God. I often mention, when I deal with topics like this, of saints who suffer for no apparent reason. Ramakrishna Paramahansa, the latter part of his life, he suffered very, he couldn't even drink water. He had cancer of the throat. Why? A God-realized being, a devotee of the Divine Mother, why should he suffer so much pain? Not even water could he swallow easily. He had to very painfully swallow it. But yet, his mind was anchored in God. Perhaps Divine Mother is showing us that it is possible for a human being, even though suffering so much pain, showing us through the life of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa, we can still fix our minds on God. That shows the strength, the greatness of the great Ramakrishna. Paramahansa Yogananda, in the latter part of his life also, his legs became almost useless. Sometimes he could hardly walk. He had to be carried by his disciples. He was a great master, a God-realized being. Why he had to suffer like that? Sometimes masters take upon themselves the karma of their disciples and work those out on their own bodies for the disciples to advance rapidly. But many times it's because God wants to test their love. You know, if you have a piece of iron and you leave it in or you leave it outside, after a time it becomes rusty. You have to keep polishing the iron to keep away the rust. The same way in the spiritual path, tests and trials make us stronger, make us remember God. Usually when things go smoothly, we don't remember God. Only when troubles and trials come, we remember the Lord. That is why Kunti Devi said to Lord Krishna, before Lord Krishna, after the Mahabharata war, before Krishna was before he left for Dwarka, he went to Kunti Devi and he said, Mother, ask me for any boon that you want and I will grant it before I leave. And Kunti Devi said, Oh Krishna, I know who you are. You're no other than Lord Vishnu himself. If you want to grant me a boon, grant me this, that may I always suffer. And Lord Krishna was taken aback. It's not something that we should ask for. But Kunti Devi was unique. Why she asked for that? She said, Lord, when Krishna said, why do you ask for this? It's not really a boon. Why do you ask that you always suffer? And she said, oh Krishna, because when I suffer, then I remember you. I want to remember you all the time. So Hanumanji was doing God's work, carrying the mountain in his hands, going very quickly to Lanka when he was struck down. And in his pain, it's remarkable, in his pain, he was crying out for God. Ram, Ram, Raghupati. Even when he was at a point of unconsciousness, he was still calling out for God. Even in pain, Hanuman was calling out for God. I heard a story once of a holy man, or so-called holy man, who had to undergo an operation. And so when he was under anesthesia, he was cursing the most dirty curse, indecent words. And those who were around, they were shocked. Because in his life, even though outwardly he appeared to be a holy man, but he never practiced any love or devotion for God. He was defiled within. But look at Hanuman, a great bhakta, a great devotee of God. Even when he was at a point of unconsciousness, even when he was unconscious, he was chanting God's name. In this next chaupai, Tulsidas writes,
Jai Ram Sri Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Jai Ram Sri Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Sri Ram Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
तौ कपि हो विगत श्रम सूला जो मो पर रघुपति अनुकूला
Jai Ram Sri Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
सुनता बचन उठि बैत कपीसा सुनता बचन उठि बैत कपीसा कही जय जयति कौशलदीसा कही जय जयति कौशलदीसा
Oh, Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Sri 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 Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
when Bharat heard those words from Hanuman, Ram, Ram, Raghupati, he was filled with dread. What did I do? I've committed a great error. I've shut down a devotee of Sri Ram. He tried his best to revive Hanuman, but he couldn't revive Hanuman. And then he said, very solemnly, he said, if in thought and word and deed I cherish sincere devotion to Ram's lotus feet, and if Raghunath is graciously inclined towards me, may this monkey be relieved of all his weariness and pain. Bharat said, if I've been a true servant of Sri Ram, invoking now the blessings of Sri Ram, if I've been a true devotee of Sri Ram in word, thought, and deed, may this monkey, remember he didn't know who Hanuman was then, may this monkey regain consciousness. And the moment he said that, Hanuman became conscious, arose, and sat up crying, "Glory, all glory to the Lord of Kusum." He came out of unconsciousness, and his words again were Ram, Ram, glory to Sri Ram, Jai Shri Ram. My God, imagine the spiritual state of the great Hanuman. But the point here is that a saint's words cannot be false. And Bharat was a saint. We see the power of Bharat's words because he lived the life of a saint, even though he was the king of Ayodhya by proxy, because Sri Ram was in Banwas. He was ruling on behalf of Sri Ram. Yet he did not live in a palace. He lived in a kutir, a simple hut. He ate simple food. He didn't wear a crown. He tied his hair in a jata, in a matted hair on top of his head. He observed fasting, simple food, simple clothing, and he slept on grass. He dug a hole in the ground, not on some fancy bed, but dug a hole in the ground, placed kush grass, and he slept on that. That was his bed. He lived a life of sadhana. And that is why his words were so potent. A saint's words cannot be false. A true saint's words cannot be false. As soon as Bharat said, "If I've been a true servant of Sri Ram, may this monkey come back to consciousness," immediately Hanuman regained consciousness. Swami Vedananda, who became a very prominent direct disciple of Guru Maharaj, was a shy monk, very, very shy. He hardly would talk, and when he talked, he spoke very softly. One day, when nobody was there, he went and sat outside of Guru Maharaj's room, looking in reverence at his great Guru. When Guru Maharaj called him into his room and placed his holy hands in his head, and he said, "The time is now for you to become a preacher." A shy monk who hardly used to speak, Guru Maharaj said, "The time has come for you to be an orator, a speaker." And a strange thing happened. The Swami related, it seemed as if thousands and thousands of ideas were bursting all at once in his head. So much so that he couldn't remain silent. He went on top of the roof and he started to address the passers-by. Then later, a few days later, he went to a public square and addressed everybody passing, and he spoke to many, many people. And then a great satsang was arranged where thousands of people came there and he addressed them. He became one of the greatest orator of Bharat Sevashram Sangha, because of the blessings of a great saint, Guru Maharaj. Narendra's family, Narendra, who became the great Swami Vivekananda, his father had died, and he was the eldest son, who was supposed to look after his mother and his younger brother, I think. But because he was not working, he didn't have a job, his family did not have food, his family didn't have simple clothing. And Sri Ramakrishna said to him that by the grace of Divine Mother, may your family always have simple food and clothing. And so it was. They were never out of simple food and clothing. They didn't have to worry anymore. So the words of a saint cannot be false, can never fail. That is why when Bharat said, "O Hanuman, O monkey, if I've been true to Sri Ram, may you regain consciousness." And instantly, Hanuman came back to full consciousness. In this next chaupai, Tulsidas writes,
Jai Ram Sri Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Oh Sri Ram Jai Jai Rama Sri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Rama
सुनो कपि मन उपजा अभिमान मोरे भार चली ही किमि बान सुनी कपि मन उपजा अभिमान मोरे भार चली ही किमि बान
जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम
राम प्रभाव विचारी बहोरी राम प्रभाव विचारी बहोरी बंदी चरण कह कपि कर जोरी बंदी चरण कह कपि कर जोरी
ओम जय राम श्री राम 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 जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम
After Hanuman related very quickly to Bharat what had happened on the battlefield, Bharat said to Hanuman, he was feeling very guilty. He said, I am the reason why you're delayed, Hanuman. I will help you to reach Lanka before the night is out. Please mount my arrow, and I will shoot my arrow towards Lanka, and in a short time you'll arrive there. Hanumanji, wherever we see this great soul, we always see his humility. But here I think we're learning a great lesson from this Leela of Hanuman. Hanuman thought to himself, what's the matter with Bharat? How can I look at my huge form? How can I mount this tiny arrow? How can this tiny arrow take me to Lanka? And herein we see that our inner enemies, they never really die. We have to be on guard against them all the time. It is a Leela to show us that we always have to be on guard against these inner enemies. Even the best of us can be afflicted. Even Hanuman had this pride in his heart. I am so big, I am so huge, and this arrow is so tiny. What's wrong with Bharat? Narada, when he was tested by Kamdev, when he was doing sadhana, and Kamdev came to disturb his meditation, Kamdev failed. Narada was victorious. But then Narada thought to himself, I am so great. Not only Lord Shiva can conquer Kamdev, I also did it. I must go and tell Shiva and Vishnu what I did. Pride entered his heart. So, strangely, pride entered the heart of Hanuman. But because he was a blessed devotee of Sri Ram, very quickly he overcame this temporary pride, and he realized the greatness of Bharat, that Bharat is a great devotee of Sri Ram. What is impossible for a devotee of Sri Ram, Bharat is a great saint. Surely his arrow can take me very speedily towards Lanka. Very quickly he regained his humility. But he said, oh Bharat, don't take the trouble. I'll be able to reach before the night is out. O Bharat, cherishing the thought of your majesty, O my lord and master, I'll set off on my journey right swiftly. With your blessings, O Bharat, I will surely reach before the night is out. In this concluding Doha, Tulsidas writes,
जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम श्री राम जय जय राम
भरत बाहुबल शीला गुण भरत बाहुबल शीला गुण प्रभु पर प्रीति अपार प्रभु पर प्रीति अपार मन महु जात सराहत मन महु जात सराहत पुनि पुनि पवन कुमार
सिया भज रामचंद्र की जय शरणम
Hanuman recognized the power of the great Bharat, that the power of Bharat came directly from Sri Ram himself. So nothing was impossible for Bharat. One who has God's power can accomplish anything. Kartikeya, a young boy of 5, was facing Tarakasur, the great powerful demon. One would have thought that it was a mismatch. How could a little boy defeat this powerful monster? But Kartikeya fixed his mind on Lord Shiva, focused his mind on God, and he hurled his weapon with his mind fixed on God. And the demon Tarakasur was destroyed. Indeed, one who has God's power can accomplish anything. And Hanumanji recognized this as he journeyed forth. The son of the wind again and again extolled to himself the might of Bharat's arm, his amiability and his virtue and his boundless devotion to the Lord's feet. That is the greatness of a devotee. Hanuman was so great himself, a Param Bhakta, a great devotee, but yet he recognized the greatness of Bharat as a devotee of Sri Ram, even superior to himself. That is what he taught. We see again the sweet humility of Hanuman. Despite the temporary pride which came, now he has become his normal self. So sweet, so humble Hanumanji is. May Hanumanji and Sri Ram bless us all. Om Shanti, 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 Hari Om. Before I pass you back to Bhaiji Vijay, I would like to thank Vijay for cheering our satsang this evening and also for live streaming our satsang in his usual beautiful way. Very talented Bhaiji Vijay Bisram. Thank you so much. And also to our musicians, Bhaiji Mitra Seru, Bhaiji Kamendra Bishu, or Anu as we call him, Bhaiji Ashwin Seru, Bahin Ray Bisram, Bahin Lisa Singh, and Bhaiji Nikki Tribuan. Thank you all so much. I now pass you back to Vijay.
Thank you very much, Swamji, for that wonderful pravachan. Devotees and friends, please do remember to join us next Tuesday evening at 7:30 p.m. for another Hanuman Chalisa Path live from the America Sivarsham Sangha. Devotees and friends, we will have 2 bhajans before we sing the Hanuman Arti. I will ask by Mitra to lead us in the first bhajan, followed by Anu.
हे मनवारे मनवा जीवन है संग्राम हे मनवारे मनवा जीवन है संग्राम हो भजले राम 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 भजले राम 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 भजले राम 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 हे मनवा रे मनवा जीवन है संग्राम हे मनवा रे मनवा जीवन है संग्राम लोक यही पर लोक यही है यही धरा और व्योम यही धरा और व्योम यही पुरातन नारायण है यही सनातन वो यही सनातन वो इससे बड़ा नहीं कोई काम उससे बड़ा नहीं कोई काम भजले राम 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 भजले राम 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 ओ भजले राम 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 भजले राम 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 मनवा रे मनवा जीवन है संग्राम इसके करतब अजब अनोखे गजब गईस के गजब है इसके सूर्य चंद्र के दीप जलाते दिन बाती बिन के बिन बाती बिन के यही सवारे सारे का यही सवारे सारे का भजले राम 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 भजले राम 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 भजले राम 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 भजले राम 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 हे मनवा रे मनवा जीवन है संग्राम हे मनवा रे मनवा जीवन है संग्राम भजले राम 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 भजले राम राम राम
सीताराम कहो राधे श्याम कहो राधे श्याम कहो सीताराम कहो सीताराम कहो राधे श्याम कहो सीता श्याम कहो सीताराम कहो राधा राम कहो सीताराम बिना बेरा पार नहीं, राधे श्याम बिना उधार नहीं। सीताराम कहो राधे श्याम कहो, राधे श्याम कहो सीताराम कहो। सीताराम बिना कोई अपन नहीं, सीताराम बिना कोई अपन नहीं, राधे श्याम बिना सुख सपन नहीं, राधे श्याम बिना सुख सपन नहीं। सीताराम कहो राधे श्याम कहो, राधे श्याम कहो सीताराम कहो। सीताराम बिना सुख कौन हरे, सीताराम बिना सुख कौन हरे, राधे श्याम बिना दुख कौन हरे, राधे श्याम बिना दुख कौन हरे। सीताराम कहो राधे श्याम कहो, राधे श्याम कहो सीताराम कहो। भजमन नारायण नारायण नारायण, भजमन नारायण नारायण नारायण, भजमन नारायण। स्वामी नारायण नारायण नारायण, स्वामी नारायण नारायण नारायण, लक्ष्मी नारायण नारायण नारायण, हरि ओम 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 नारायण नारायण नारायण।
Beautifully done. Devotees and friends, again I would like to thank you for joining our Hanuman Chalisa Path live from the America Sivarsham Sangha. Please do join us next Tuesday evening at 7:30 p.m. for another edition of our Hanuman Chalisa Path. We now sing the Hanuman Arti.
दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ दला की जय हनुमान लला की आरती कीजय हनुमान लला की आरती कीजय हनुमान लला की आरती कीजय हनुमान लला की दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ लला की दुष्ट दलन रघुनाथ लला की आरती कीजय हनुमान लला की आरती कीजय हनुमान लला की जाके बल से गिरिवर कापे रोग दोष जाके निकटन जाते अंजन पुत्र महा बलदाई संतन के प्रभु सदा सहाई आरती कीजय हनुमान लला की आरती कीजय हनुमान लला की देवी रघुनाथ बताए लंका जारी सिया सुदिलाए लंका सकोत्र समुद्र सिकाई जात पवन सुत बारण लाई लंका जारी सुर संहारे सिया राम जी के काज सवारे आरती कीजय हनुमान लला की 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 ओम शांताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिविद्यानगण्यं वन्दे विष्णो भवभयहरणं सर्वलोके कनातं सर्वलोके कनातं ॐ त्वमेव माता त्वमेव बन्धो त्वमेव विद्या त्वमेव सर्वं त्वमेव सर्वं ॐ गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः हरि ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम प्रेम से बोलो महावीर स्वामी की,
जय
प्रेम से बोलो श्री श्री जगद्गुरु महाराज की,
जय
प्रेम से बोलो भारत शिवाजन संघ की,
जय
प्रेम से बोलो सनातन धर्म की।
जय